Hi guys, I'm ready to go to work and tomorrow guys, it's my 58th birthday. Happy birthday, Mary Lou Rodriguez. Kawawa naman si Marilu, walang bumabati. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. Wow. Ang gusto ko lang sa birthday ko, guys, ay sana ibigyan ako ng good health ng Panginoon at maging masaya ako sa bagong year na darating, guys. So, happy birthday again, Mary Lou Rodriguez. Binabati ko ang sarili ko, guys. Wow, 58 years old. Happy birthday again to me.